everybody? I am coming on today to show you the touch on me line dance. It's so simple. That's why I have to show it. It is a 2-walk dance and it is 8 counts. So we're just gonna jump right in. Let me turn my back so see. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the first part. So we're just gonna do that one more time. So it's right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. That's the first part. Second part is, it's like a cha-cha up and a turn like we do in the ballroom. So it's cha-cha-cha, step up and turn, cha-cha-cha, step back. That's it. Do it one more time. Cha-cha-cha, step up and turn, cha-cha-cha, step back. Next, you'll take this right leg that's back, it's the right side, and you'll take this right leg and we're gonna kick it outward or sweep it forward and then stomp like this. I'll turn to the side just so you can see real quick. So take this right leg, it would have been back, and stomp. So once we do that, that's done on 1, 2, and then we'll go into a body roll, 3 body rolls. So it'll look like this. The leg would have been back. 1, 2, 3. That's the third part. The last part is the pretty girl. So you put the leg that was forward, you put it back to the side, then back, left, and back, right, then back, and then you take this left one and you're gonna 2 taps around. 1, 2, sort of like a pivot, but this one is tap around. I'm gonna do that last part again. Let's just take it from the top. How about that? So it would go right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Cha, 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 step up and turn. Cha, 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 step back. After that, that's when we do that kick, sweep, move, when we stomp. So it'll look like this. And it's say 1, 2. And then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this leg that's forward, the right leg that's forward, we're gonna do the pretty girl, starting with this right leg. 1, 2, left, 2, 4, 5, 6, and then we tap around, 7, 8. Then we have our new wall. The dance starts over again. That's it.